Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make brick in Little Alchemy. To start your journey, you'll need to combine two very basic elements. First, take 1 part earth and 1 part fire. When these two powerful forces meet, they create lava. This molten material is your crucial first step towards crafting a sturdy brick. It's a simple yet essential combination to begin your alchemical adventure. Now that you have lava, it's time to cool things down a bit. Take your newly formed lava and combine it with water. The immediate reaction will solidify the molten material. This crucial step transforms the fiery lava into a sturdy piece of stone. It's a fundamental change, moving from liquid heat to solid ground, bringing you closer to your goal. With your stone now ready, the next step involves applying more heat. You'll need to combine your stone with another element of fire. This intense heat will work its magic, transforming the hard stone into a more pliable substance. This reaction yields clay, a versatile material that's essential for many creations, including our desired brick. You're almost there. With your clay prepared, it's time for the final transformation. Combine your clay with one last element of fire. This intense heat bakes the clay, hardening it into a strong, durable material. And just like that, you've successfully crafted a brick. It's a satisfying process, turning simple elements into a foundational building block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.